Hi everyone, this is the second time I'm going to try this video. Hopefully the connection will be better. Basically, I just wanted to answer the question, why join with a starter kit when you become a wholesale member? First off, if you have ever shopped at an outlet or Burlington or TJ Maxx, then you like to shop wholesale. And wholesale is 25% off of retail, so it's definitely the way to go. And starting with a essential oil starter kit with doTERRA, I feel personally is the way to go because you have everything you need for your essential oil journey. So any ailment, let's say you specifically just want to try an oil for ADHD. And so maybe you try Copaiba or Serenity or something like that. And you just want to start with one and see if it works. But then next week your family gets the flu and your kids have runny noses and they're coughing and struggling with that. Well, the Copaiba or the Intune or whatever oil it is that you got for the ADHD to help is not going to be able to help you with what comes your way. And starting with this is one of the starter kits. It's a nice one. It's one of the smaller ones. It's a family essentials kit. And what it comes with is the 10 most popular essential oils. We have lavender, which is calming and soothing. It's my son got a bee sting and it took care of it right away. I asked him if it still hurt and he said no. Then we have lemon, which is detoxing. It's cleansing. It smells amazing. You can use it for cleaning household, so it's a non-toxic cleaner. Then we have peppermint. Peppermint is very good for when the body is warm from being ill, cooling you down. Then we have Breathe. Now Breathe is that respiratory blend that you're going to want if your family is come down with some kind of flu bug. Then there is the Deep Blue, and the Deep Blue is amazing. It is for joint or back discomfort, and it also comes in a rub, but in this kit it comes with the oil. The rub is just a lotion that has the oil in it. You see the bottle of oil? Then next is oregano. Now oregano is amazing for helping with any kind of viruses or germy bugs that come through and helping you recover faster. And so oregano oil is really good for boosting the immune system. Then we have frankincense. Frankincense is great for inflammation. When in doubt, use frank. It's the king of essential oils. Frankincense has so many therapeutic purposes. I just couldn't even list them all. Then we have, actually, this one was Melaleuca. This one's oregano. Melaleuca, we've all heard of tea tree oil. It's very cleansing, purifying. It's great for any kind of when my child has an ear infection, I rub it around the outside and behind the ear, and that helps with the ear infection, recovering from there. Then we have Breathe, which, that's Digestin, which is the digestive blend. That's for gas, bloating, constipation, upset stomach, nausea, if the stomach bug comes your way. This is a wonderful oil to help recover from that. And then On Guard. Now, On Guard is our protective blend. This is the blend that you see in hospitals like Tampa General Hospital or Vanderbilt or Johns Hopkins Hospital. They're diffusing On Guard through the hospital because it kills germs. I recently got a staph infection from somebody's laughing, somebody's angry, somebody's crying. I got a staph infection from Disney, and I was using the On Guard, and it took care of it. So that is why start joining with the starter kit is the best way to go, because you have everything you need, your complete medicine cabinet in tow for you. The other nice thing with the starter kit is you have inside instructions. It tells you what the oil's for, how to use it, and suggested uses for it. So the starter kit is very user-friendly, and it comes with the 10 most frequently used oils that will replace most anything in your medicine cabinet. And you get tons and tons of education from me. We have an amazing community that you will be a part of when you join doTERRA. And this month we have a promotion called the New Year, New You. And if you start with 100 PV order or a starter kit, you don't pay the membership fee, which is $35. It's much like Sam's Club or Costco. doTERRA is a wellness company that specializes in the world's #1 essential oils, except for they also have other wellness products like cleaning products, laundry soap, my skincare. I just brushed my teeth with our On Guard toothpaste, hair care products. You name it, we pretty much have everything except for makeup. And I'm waiting for doTERRA to come out with makeup. I'm not sure if they will, but they should. So when you start with the essential oils, you are starting on a non-toxic, healthy journey. And I know it can be a little overwhelming at first, but you have a lot of support, a lot of education. You have me, you have an amazing upline that will help you. And then also doTERRA. I mean, you can call them, you can message them. They have online chat. You can talk to them. You can email them. You can do whatever you want to communicate with them. But just getting one oil and trying it out and seeing if it works is kind of risky to me, because then the next thing that comes your way, you're not going to be prepared. You're not going to be empowered to be able to take care of it. And you're going to be running to the doctor or the walk-in clinic to take care of something that possibly what's in this box could very well take care of for you. And that is why starting with the starter kit, in my opinion, is the best way to start your essential oil journey. So take a risk. It will improve your health. I guarantee it. And you guys have a wonderful evening. And the New Year, New You promotion, if you want to know more about that, go ahead, just PM me and I will go over it and we'll talk and we'll chat and I'll help you lead you in the right direction. And we can go over any health concerns that you have at that time too. So I hope to talk to you soon and have a good evening.